What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Aero Precision M5 lower parts kit that you can pick up. So this is the packaging it comes in here, just a small little box with all your essential parts. On the back, it lists out everything that it actually does come with, so that way you can see that. And this one is specifically meant for the M5 or the AR-10 Aero Precision lower receiver. And if you do have the Aero Precision lower receiver, I highly recommend picking up the Aero Precision branded lower parts kit because there's a couple proprietary special pieces that they have to make building your AR a lot easier. So definitely buy the lower parts kit Aero Precision one with your Aero Precision lower receiver. To show you what I mean, let's go ahead and get this unboxed here, show you what all it comes with. So here's what it comes with here. First thing we got to point out, we get a sticker. We'll add it to our collection up top here for our Aero Precision stickers. They basically give you one in all their packaging. And then as far as the goodies that come with it here, you have the base lower parts kit, they describe it as, which we'll pull all these out in a second. And then we also have they call it the M5 additional lower parts kit, which is just your bolt catch release. So let's go ahead and get these out of the packaging and I'll show you what all is here. All right, I went ahead and got everything out of the package and organized here, and let's go through these parts real quick with what does come in the Aero Precision lower parts kit. So over here on the right side to start with, we have our mag release here, and then we have our rear takedown pin, which is the smaller one for the M5, and then we have our front takedown pin, which is the larger one. And then down here we do have our bolt catch release, which is nice as well. It does include a safety selector, which I already have a different ambidextrous safety selector that I'm gonna be using, but they do provide you with one. And then moving over here, across the top here, these two are identical. They are the takedown springs as well as the detent. So you can see we have a front spring and detent as well as a back spring and detent as well. But with Aero Precision, they also give you this little guy here, which is nifty. If you use a Aero Precision lower, it's actually a threaded rear takedown pin hole. So you can actually shove this in there, shove your detent in, shove your spring in, and then you can use this guy, which on the end is a little Allen or Allen wrench screw hole on the back. So that way you can actually thread that on and you don't have to worry about that rear takedown pin and spring once it's installed. So that's one of the main reasons why I definitely recommend picking up an Aero Precision lower with your Aero Precision lower parts kit. Moving forward then, over here we do have our grip spring as well as the safety selector detent that feeds in under your grip as well. And then moving across, we do have our buffer tube retainer and then also the buffer spring here as well. And then this larger spring is for your magazine release over here to feed in. And then down here we have our bolt catch buffer as well as the bolt catch buffer spring. And then also we do have a, this is for the bolt catch, it's the roll pin that you can insert. But if you have a Aero Precision lower, you can actually use, it comes with a threaded hole and a piece already on the lower receiver. So if you have the Aero lower, you don't need to use this piece here. You can use the threaded one that comes on your receiver. So fun fact here, I'm actually filming this little segment here days after because they forgot to give me a magazine catch body piece, Aero Precision. So I realized that after reading the back here and not having this piece. So I sent them a message. Luckily their customer support's awesome. They sent me this piece out in just like 3 days. So yours should also come with one last piece, and it is the magazine body catch as seen here. This one will actually work in an M4 or M5, but make sure yours has it, and if it doesn't, hit up their customer support. They will send it out to you. So that does it for as far as everything it comes with here. Hopefully this is helpful and kind of going through the parts as well. I will have a video, or I probably have it out already, as far as actually installing this on the lower receiver for an M5 Aero Precision build. So if you're interested, go check that out. And if this was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel. Always appreciate that. And if you have questions, let me know down in the comments. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.